Good day and welcome to another series, Introductory to Statistical Analysis and Machine Learning with Python, R, and the mathematics and science behind it. So basically, this series will be divided into three, but before I explain that, I am Abbas Olaya from Fibitech. Fibitech is 5 business intelligence technology. That's 5 business intelligence technology. And what we basically do is we help businesses, we help organizations, we help individuals, we help institutes, groups to make sense of their data, build softwares like websites, mobile apps, desktop apps, and the likes. And we also help with branding, graphic design, search engine optimization, and social media marketing, basically. Other details of what we do will be displayed to you here. So that said, so basically what we'll be doing in this series is we'll be having 3 playlists. That's the introduction to statistical analysis and machine learning with Python, introduction to statistical analysis and machine learning with R, then introduction to statistical analysis and machine learning, the science and maths behind it. So basically, if you want to learn how to program, do machine learning or do statistical analysis with Python, you can pick the first playlist. If you want to learn with R, you can pick the second playlist. And you want to understand the math behind it, you can pick the third playlist. But if you want to learn the 3, you are good to go. So this series is for both beginners and intermediates. As in, what I mean is, probably you know the programming aspect, you don't know the theoretical aspect, or you know the theoretical aspect, you want to learn the programming aspect, or you can even pick the 3 that you want to learn how to do it with Python, do it with R, and do it with the mathematics behind it. Actually, you are not a complete developer or machine learning engineer without understanding the math behind the algorithms we use daily. And another thing with this series is we won't just be plugging in libraries, like just bring in scikit-learn and bring in regression and just use it like that. We'll be writing our own algorithm from scratch to increase our understanding of what we are doing. So we write algorithm for regression, we write algorithm for classifications and the likes like that. So we'll be writing them from scratch by ourselves, though it might not be as optimum as what we'll get in those libraries, but we will write them first, then we use the library, because when we want to actually do them in the real world, you might not necessarily need to write your own algorithm and use the libraries, but you need to understand the theory behind it. That's why we have the science and mathematics aspects of things. So basically that's that about the class. So the Python, the R, and the mathematics behind it, whichever aspect you want to learn, and you want to learn the 3 at the same time, it's good. I'm the one tutoring the 3 classes, so it's good. Then the assignment aspect. So basically, after most of our videos, will be having assignments that will help us to ground you in learning what you've actually learned. Like, oh, for example, you learned regression today. How do I know that I've learned it? Because so it won't be like school where we just learn something and we won't practicalize them for a long time and then we forget them. So here you actually do the assignment. And the only way we can know you've done the assignment is you write your script for the assignment or your notebook for the assignment, push to your GitHub repo, and comment the link to that repo in the comment section for that particular video. For example, we did regression today, and we gave you an assignment to probably do some regression analysis or maybe Boston housing price. You do the analysis, you push your code, that is your script or your notebook, to the GitHub repo, then you comment the link to that particular GitHub repo on that particular video on regression. Then the next one for probably for decision 3 or something like that. That's how we do it. So on the long run, you won't just have learned something, you would have built your own portfolio on what you can present to employers that might want to employ you in future. And probably you want to get a certificate, probably you need certificate or reference in any organization. You can always contact us. And the only way we actually know you've learned what you said you've learned is by we checking your GitHub repo and seeing you've actually done what we asked you to do at the appropriate time. So I'll be seeing you in class. And again, you might want to get some textbooks for this class. Probably you are the type of person that reads after videos and the likes, or probably maybe when you get to the industry and you want to apply these things, you maybe got one algorithm and you just want to quickly check. You can always check on Google or any other search engine like Bing, or better still, you can always check your textbook. So we recommend 3 textbooks. That's hands-on machine learning with Python, hands-on machine learning with R, then pattern recognition by Bishop. You will see the picture of each of these books on your screen right now. So Till we meet in the next class, I remain your host. Thank you.